Hello, 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 beautiful, wonderful people. It is your girl Simone Nicole here, back at it again with yet another video. And today's video is going to be how I refresh my blowout. As you guys saw in the last video, I got my hair done and flat ironed for the first time since 2018. That video was filmed the day before Thanksgiving, and today is currently December 6th. So it's been about 2 weeks that my hair has been in this state. Because I am usually natural, it is so important to me to make sure that whatever I'm doing does not damage my curl pattern. So I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my hair without putting so much direct heat back onto my hair. So if you would like to see what I do to refresh my blowout while making sure to maintain the integrity of my hair, then please keep watching. I am so excited to say that today's video is sponsored by InStyler. And let me tell you guys why I'm so excited. It is such a full circle moment to be working with InStyler because you guys, in high school, my mom bought the original InStyler with the turning, rotating iron, their hero original product. And that was all that I used in high school. So I've been organically using InStyler since I was 15 or 16 years old. When they reached out and wanted to work with me, I was like, thank you to InStyler for sponsoring today's video. To get the desired look, we are going to be using their 7X Smart Dryer. I have used this dryer both on my blowouts and also on my curly hair to diffuse it, to help it to dry faster. And it has been so helpful in my drying process with both states of my hair. It is so good with helping the hair look shinier, more healthier, and they have a really big emphasis on providing frizz-free results. The ions inside of the blow dryer help to really get you that smooth, luscious, beautiful, bouncy look that we are all looking for in our blowouts and in our silk presses. And the coolest thing about this blow dryer is that you can sit it down and it will shut off. It is so cool, so innovative. I've never seen a dryer like that before. I've definitely never used a dryer like that before. I also love how sleek the dryer looks. In order to reduce the airflow, you roll a little button in order to adjust it. And then you're able to see with the LED lighting to figure out how high or low you would like the temperature of the airflow coming out. And then there's a cool shot button. It just has it all. And overall, it just feels like a very elevated luxe, giving very much rich auntie experience when you are using it. So we're gonna use the dryer to really go through and get our roots and to get those to straighten out for us a bit more. And the other product I'm going to be using for my quote unquote direct heat source, which really won't be that direct because of the tool that I'm using, is going to be their updated straighten up brush. If you guys have been watching my channel, then you would have seen that I have used this brush in multiple videos to prep my hair for protective styles or just because I wanted to blow out my hair. I used another one of their straighten up brushes in this line, but this is their newest addition to the family and the more advanced version than what I've used in my previous videos. This newest brush actually features 65 powerful ceramic heated plates. This tool is also designed to focus on giving you frizz-free results. And what I love about the brush is that you can actually use it like a brush, and you'll see me doing so in the video, because you can touch the tips of the brush to your scalp and it won't burn you because they have cool ionic tips on the top, which I think is so freaking cool. It also has 7 different heat settings. You are able to easily see the temperature that you are at with the straighten up brush with their digital display. So it goes all the way down to 330 degrees and all the way up for 450 degrees, which is recommended for, our thicker natural girls. However, because I'm interested in making sure that my hair is not damaged at all, I will not be taking it up that high. And also we get a little swivel cord, we get a little swivel action. So when you're going through your hair and you're twisting your hands each and every single way around your head to get to where you need to be, the cord will not stop you from doing whatever you need to do. And this tool features an automatic shut off, which is wonderful. So to get started, we have to address the amount of oil that you build up over time when you don't wash your hair and when your hair is straight. I made sure to use a dry shampoo last night before I wrapped my hair so that it could really get in there and really settle down. And my hair looks so much better. It was so oily, but I'm telling you, putting some dry shampoo in your hair and letting it really sit and soak up those oils, so good. Then I'm also gonna go through and I'm gonna put in some like wet products. I'm gonna do like a dedicated heat protectant, and then I'm also going to do a leave-in spray that has like multiple different benefits. Since those are like more wet products, you don't want to spray too much on your hair because you don't want your hair to start reverting back. I'm gonna go through and spray that stuff on. I'm gonna brush it in. I'm gonna separate my hair with some clips, and then I will be right back to show you guys where we are going to start with this whole refresh process.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
So for the next step that we are going to do, I love taking a round brush to help me with this. And I'm also going to take our dryer with the concentration nozzle on and go through and really blow my hair out as smooth as possible to give us a really good base to work from.
Then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Not like so. Ease out.
Okay, so this is what it's giving after I went through and just blow dried it. It is giving very much nice and smooth and fluffy and ready for us to go in and get together. I hope that I really emphasized too how important it is to keep the airflow down when you're blow drying your hair, because if you just let the air go anywhere, like if you don't put a concentration nozzle on, your hair is gonna turn out mad frizzy. So be really, really careful about that. So now I am going to go in with a serum to put on the ends of my hair just to make sure that those are nice and moisturized, because you know that the ends of your hair get the most dry. And then I'm also gonna go in with a dry heat protectant as well, because we want to make sure that we are all good on the heat side. You're gonna see me use the InStyler Straighten Up brush. I haven't decided exactly what heat setting I will have it on, but I'll show you guys before I use it so that you can see, or I'll pop it up on the screen. And then while the hair is still hot, I'm going to put it in rollers in order to give us that nice bouncy finish, and it'll stay in the rollers until it completely cools down.
This is only the beginning. Warning.
That brings us to the end of today's video. I know that I didn't show myself brushing my hair out, and I know that when I was taking out my rollers, I was giving you the, oh yeah, this is about to be a vibe, this is about to be good kind of look. Too bad it wasn't. I was too hot bootied and took my rollers out before it was time, before the curls had time to really set and do what they needed to do, because I was rushing to get into a meeting that I had, because I had back-to-back meetings. Learn from me, be patient. So I had to go back in and repeat the last part of the process, and she is giving very much, she's giving volume, she's giving sexy, but my hair feels good, it feels light. I'm so happy with my results, especially with the tools that we used today, because I wanted to put an emphasis on not putting direct flat ironed heat on my hair again after getting my hair flat ironed a couple weeks ago. The Smart Dryer was wonderful and easy to work with, and you guys have seen me use the straighten up brush multiple times on my channel, so you guys know that I love that thing. Thank you again to InStyler for sponsoring today's video. It is, again, like just such a full circle moment to have you guys sponsoring me, so I super duper appreciate it. And if you would like to shop any of the tools used in this video, then I will have them linked down below. Today's subscriber shout out is going to go to Miss Ebony Nichols. She commented on my top 5 hair products from my 200 plus product collection, that video, and she said, "Girl, you are so pretty. Let me pay attention to this video now." LOL. Thank you so much, Miss Ebony, for coming to my channel and just saying something nice to me and leaving a bit of positivity in this world. And if you would like to be my next subscriber shout out in my next video, then all you have to do is 1, be subscribed, and 2, comment down below and say something nice, say something sweet to your girl, and maybe you can be my next subscriber shout out of the day. And I'm going to leave it there. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember to keep positivity in your life, because positivity breeds positivity, and we have absolutely no time for negativity in 2021. I will see you guys super duper soon in my next video. Bye guys.